So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to share your referral code on MetaMask. So once MetaMask is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right to where it says rewards and then press on that. Once you guys are here, I want you to go to the top right to where there's that people icon with the plus beside the gear. Go ahead and select that. And once you're on the referrals page right here, you have your referral code and your referral link. Go ahead and copy your referral code right here, or go to the bottom and press on refer a friend. And what you guys can do now is share this code with friends, family, etc., to hopefully get them to sign up and then earn rewards and benefits in the process here. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to share your referral code on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.